channel and press the bell icon for a new update. Dear friends, I am going to plant some winter flowers. First of all, put some water in the plant. The potting mix is made up of cow dung and normal garden soil in the ratio of 3:1. Put some soil into clay container, then some decomposed organic manure in little amount. Then pour some soil. Then gently pull off the polythene bag. This is the plant of gazania flower. Place the flower in middle of the container. Pour the container with soil around the plant. The soil is rich in organic manure, which is in black in color. It is done. Secondly, I have done the plant of pansy flower. Press the soil to remove the air bubble. Next one. Similarly, put some soil. Again, place the plant in center. Pour the soil around the plant. Then also press the soil. By placing soil around the plant, we have to press the soil in the container. At last, I am going to plant the poinsettia flower. Gently remove the polythene. Place the plant center of the container. Yes, we did all. And at last, we have to put some water for moist. The water reduces the plantation shock of the plant. The flower I planted today are gazania, snapdragon flower, also called dog flower, dahlia, calendula, danthus, also called sweet william, verbena, pansy, cinerea, petuna, and so on. After 2.5 weeks are look some beautiful flowers. Pansy, gazania, Dianthus or sweet William, Barbena, poinsettia.